What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, mag-reaction video tayo or manonood sa mga nag-trending at latest na video dito sa internet. So make sure magsusubscribe kayo sa aking channel and i-follow nyo yung mga matatampok dito sa aking video ngayon. So shoutout sa mga subscribers ko dyan. Thank you so much sa inyong pagsuporta. So without further ado, let's go sa go! Ano yun?
What the absolute
Yan.
heck is that?
Wow! Gorilla? Ay, hindi. Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Isa pa. Panoorin natin.
What the absolute heck is that?
So, bali din sa videong ito, ang sabi dito sa caption niya from a backpacking trip. So, imagine, nagba-backpacking trip ka. So, imagine, nagba-backpacking trip ka, yun ang nakita mo. Diba? Ang creepy. Para sa akin, nakakatakot. Maano ka? Ano yan? Ba't may ganyan, diba? Sa kanila, Bigfoot ang tawag ito sa pagkakalam ko.
The thing is there's even stranger properties to this hole. One of them is actually kind of hard to wrap your head around. A neighbor saw a black beam shooting out of the hole skyward, and I think it might have even been at night, but it was so black and absorbed so much of the light around it that it stood out at night. A beam of blackness, not a beam of light, a beam of basically a void shooting out of the hole. And I mean, if you ask your average hole expert, they're going to tell you that is unusual behavior for any hole.
Yeah.
Pa nga. So dito sa picture may nakitang butas sila. Nagtataka sila bakit nga may butas doon, di ba? Tapos hindi niya napansin dito. Ay ito, hindi niya napansin to. Bigfoot kung tawagin. Grabe, usong-uso sa kanila yung Bigfoot, di ba?
So she's back.
Naman to?
The last time I made this video, people were
Mimic is
saying
back.
that it's my double
Sage has
reflection.
worn off, or it's because it's
but
Halloween.
I'm just gonna put up my hand here. Yeah, the sage
Ayun, may mga
has
sa
worn
likod
off.
niya.
So she's back. The last time I made this video, people were saying that it's my double reflection. But I'm just gonna put up my hand here.
Meron nga sa likod niya
Yeah, the sage has worn off. So
Hindi ano lang yun, para dolly kung tawagin. Yung mga namubuong image na akala natin kung ano na. Hindi mo may ganun kasi. You're swimming alone in the Amazon and you hear this strange noise. What is it? Go! Ano yun? Akala ko umutot yung babae.
The sun's out. What a beautiful
Pa nga.
day in the Amazon.
Oh, akala ko umutot siya Baka wala lang yun. Kumbaga, baka hayop lang talaga. Ito, ano kaya to?
Jadi gini guys, gue jelasin sedikit ya soal pocong ya.
Pokchong.
Pocong itu sebuah jin, seekor.
Tinakatakot yung pokchong. Ayun no? Oh my! Wow! Bilisan mo! Hala, bilisan mo. Pag nahuli ka niyan.
Nyalain mobil yang, Mayang! Nyalain mobil yang! Nyalain mobil yang!
So, dito sa videong ito, nagbi-video yung isang lalaki. Parang naghahanap siya ng pochong. Tapos, parang tinawag niya pa dito Ito, tinawag niya, di ba? And then mga ilang segundo, out of nowhere, na walang ano-ano meron siya nahagip na camera na isang puting tela na tumatalon-talon papunta sa kanya. Na ang paniniwala nila, yun yung pochong. No, ayun no. Oh. Diba? Kahit ako mapapatakbo niyan. So sa mga hindi nakakalaman, pochong kasi yun yung usong-uso sa Indonesia na pag yung mga namamatay daw, sabi sa kwento nila, itinatali daw, binabalutan ng puting tela at tinatali yung mga paa. Ngayon ang pagkakatanda ko, kaya daw nagpaparamdam sila kasi hindi daw natanggal yung tali, ba? Hindi daw natanggal yung tali sa paa nila. Kaya naghahanap sila ng isang tao na pwede daw magtatanggal nun. Yun daw yung dahilan kaya daw sila nagpaparamdam. Sabi base sa narinig kong kwento.
So in honor of spooky season,
Ghost
I
caught
have
on
one
camera.
picture that I got from a coworker years ago that is the greatest example of a ghost in a picture that I've ever seen. And the reason that I don't doubt its authenticity is because it is a live photo, and I'll show you how I'll do the live photo so you can see the ghost kind of swooping in. You ready for it?
Ano kaya?
Okay, so this is the hiking picture. The girl didn't see anything on the hike, but I'll zoom in here and you will see her in a second. Boom.
Wow.
There she is. Look how pretty she
Hola.
is. Her sunken eyes and her smile. There's the live photo.
Hola.
I'll get a bit of angle there. I'll do it again. You can see
Live
her
photo
swooping.
to
And then from farther away, you can just see right by her head. You can just see her swooping in. It's pretty spooky, man. I mean, it's hard to say that this isn't a real
Kung
thing.
ano kaya So, bale sa caption kasi nakalagay dito, do you think ghosts are real? So, bale dito, nagkukwento yung lalaki na may isa daw insidente na nakuhanan doon yung kasama niya sa picture. Then, ang ginawa niya, in-explain niya dito sa video, tapos sa kanya pinakita incident.
I have one picture that I got from a coworker years ago that is the greatest example of a ghost in a picture that I've ever
Para
seen.
sa kanya daw, ghost daw yung
And the
nakita.
reason that I don't doubt its authenticity is because it is a live photo, and I'll show you how I'll do the live photo so you can see the ghost kind of swooping in. You ready for it? Okay, so this is the hiking picture. The girl didn't see anything on the hike, but I'll zoom in here and you will see her
So,
in a
zinum
second.
niya. At ito nakita niya walang ano-ano na mayroon siya nakitang gantong na hindi, ang iniisip nga niya baka multo kasi nung time down niya yan, wala naman daw sila napansin. Di ba? Iniisip ko, then baka tribo. Di ba yung mga taga dyan lang. Pero nakakatakot pa rin tignan, no? Imagine mo makakita ka ng ganyan. Tapos tribo, di ba napakadelikado. Mga ganyan, iba yung isip na rin eh. Hindi sila yung parang normal, hindi na sila normal mag-isip. Di ba yung mga cannibal kung tawagin? Pag nahuli ka, malaki, yan ang mas delikado kaysa sa multo.
C'est quoi? Oh non. Le carton qui est là-bas, là, oh, je sais même plus parler. C'est une poupée. C'est des poupées. Et je vous assure, j'en ai vu une courir. Je sais pas laquelle. Et il faut que je descende à la cave. Mais là,
Ako
c'est la
tuman tong
nuit,
manikan
j'ai
to.
pas envie de croiser la vieille.
Oh! Ala!
C'est quoi? C'est quoi?
Gumagalaw mag-isa. Ala! Wow! Gumagalaw mag-isa.
C'est trop.
Katakot yun. Gumagalaw mag-isa ang manika, hindi ganyan gagalaw. Hindi siya yung parang umitipe eh. Ito. Oh, ngumiti pa yung manika, oh. Wala, katakot yun, oh. Ako sa kanya, tapon na niya yung manikang yun.
So I have this little room up in my attic, and I want to show you guys what I found in here. But first,
Look at this. I've been up here 2 times. I've lived in this house for 3 years, and I've been here. This will be my 2nd time. And I started doing some picking up, but that's my house down there. And this is, so if you close the door, look how tiny it is. But look at the doorknob. It's literally a foot away from the ground. Look at that. Isn't that weird? Okay, so anyways, let me just open that up real quick. I found this little guy up here. He has like a little
Lumang-luma, no?
batteries, which I'm going to try and see if it works. That'll be so cool, but it's so old and dusty. And I found him back here in this hole. I covered it back up because it's a little scary. but
Butas, nakakatakot
full
to.
of things.
Pag butas, nakakatakot. Ano pag madilim? Oh,
Oh, what? What was that?
oh. Ano pinasok siya?
Guys, real quick, this is the
Ito, part
hole
2.
that leads up to the attic, that leads to the room that goes this way. So once you go up to the attic, the door is right here, and then the big room is here. And I don't have a drop down, so I've been using this 6-foot ladder to go up there. And I have to climb my way up the last half because I don't have a long enough ladder. But the intention was to go up there to put these things and use that as a closet upstairs. But anywho, let me show you that there's no holes on the ceilings real quick. So that's one. This is a room. And there's no holes up there. Just this big hole that leads up to the
Wala pa
attic.
talaga.
And then the living room, there's no holes. Okay. There's a room. There's a hole there, but that's a vent. So, I mean, it's, you can't really see what was seen on the previous video. Plus, I was by myself. There was nobody in here. There was nobody walking around. This is the closet. And then there's one more. Let me show you guys. This is another room. Again, no holes in the ceilings. Another vent. But no, like, visible holes that you could see through. And then the closet.
Ni-explain na ano niya eh, walang daw butas.
No holes. But there is a weird little door again. I don't know what's up with the weird little doors. That one's sealed. You can't open it. It's sealed. Let's go upstairs. We're up here already, and I
Baka yun, dun
got to
yun.
the room, and I want to show you guys. I cleaned up a little bit, but to answer some of your questions, someone asked, what does this window lead to right next to the door? And I don't know. It's sealed, and there's like, yeah, it's just covered with siding. And then how did the furniture get up here? I'm assuming somebody built this up here. However, I don't know how this chair got up here. It's pretty big. I'm assuming right before they built the room, maybe they put it up here. I don't know. And then for the hole, there, as you can see, there's electricity. Oh, something else. These cables,
Oh, ano yun?
these were all plugged in, and they go this way. Let me grab this light so I can show you guys. But we go here. 1 second, because oh god. So the wires go all the way in here, and they're connected to something.
Takot
There's
naman tong
more
ano
trash
nyo.
on this side of the house. See? Oh shit, there's
Parang isang apak mo lang, babagsak ka sa baba eh. Mabubutas oh.
That's that side, right? The left side, but the right side. Let's go take a look at the right side real quick. It's so hot in here. Oh boy. Okay. So there's no mirrors. I know you guys were saying, oh, there's a mirror. There's no mirror. No holes.
Oh, wala na.
Just trash. Like,
Tinakpan mo na lang.
I don't know. Alright guys, real quick.
So, bali dito, ang sabi kasi sa nag-comment, girl, you know, we all know, we saw ahead from the little hole. Yung kanina, sa first part nung kanina yung video, sa previous video. And then, we saw a little hole in the light. We need a part 2. Send someone over the cost. Ain't no way. So, sabi kasi dito, yung comment, yan daw sila nakita dun nga na may butas, na may nakita silang tao. Tapos ngayon, ang gusto niya, ang inaano niya, pinapakita niya ngayon sa baba bago siya pumunta sa attic na wala daw butas sa kahit anong ceiling ng bahay niya. Meron siyang nakita doon, para sa akin, nakita ko na mayroong isang door na nakasil na hindi daw pwede pasukin. Iniisip ko baka doon niya nakuha yung, doon nakita yung hole, doon yung papunta. Although on the other, napansin ko naman, tinakpan na niya yung yung area kung saan niya nakita yung hole. Di ba sa may butas kanina? So, iniisip ko, ang sabi nung ilan nagko-comment, ilan ng mga bale, na-feature na to sa ibang channel na baka daw pupunta daw sa ibang dimension. Sa akin naman, tinakpan niya kasi yung butas. Baka doon lang yun sa isang pintuan yung nakasalyado na hindi niya pinasok.
My front window was smashed, but I'm here at my girlfriend's
Ghost
house by
running
myself.
down the stairs.
She always says it's haunted because it sounds like somebody is walking around upstairs. I've never heard it until now. I always say it's not haunted because the house is a little old. But it legit sounds like there's somebody upstairs. I will swing on a ghost, or if it's a person, I don't care. Who's up there?
Wow, tapang ah.
Oh my god, they're like at the top of the stairs. Come down these stairs and I will swing on you, I promise.
Wow! Ayos, sinuntok yung multo ah. Ayos yun ah, sinuntok yung multo ah. Ang tapang niya ha. Pwede siyang maging boksingero. Diba? So yun, nakatapos tayo sa panonood ng ilang mga clip na nag-trending sa internet. So yun, comment kayo kung alin yung para sa inyong natakot kayo, kung alin yung totoo or fake. Comment nyo na lang dyan. And then, kung may mga request kayong video, pwede nyo sa akin i-send. Excuse me, pasensya na inuubo ko. I-comment nyo na lang sa akin. I-send nyo na lang yung link niya sa comment section. Kung ano yung gusto nyong nag-trending na video na pwede ko isama dito sa compilation. So yun, thank you so much. See you in my next video. And mag-iingat po kayo palagi.